Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 5 to the power of 100 minus 5 to the power of 99. And what we're first going to do is we're going to expand this a little bit. Why don't we change the 5 to the power of 100 into 5 to the power of 99 plus 1. All we're doing is changing this exponent 100 into 99 plus 1, which is all completely legal. And we're still subtracting this with 5 to the power of 99. We're not changing anything with that. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to use an important property of exponents. Let's say we have a to the power of m plus n. A property of exponents, an important property of exponents, states that this is also written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Because remember, when we're multiplying exponents with the same bases, we add the exponents together and keep the base. And we're essentially reversing this when we're using this. So let's convert 5 to the power of 99 plus 1 into 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 1. And we're still subtracting this with 5 to the power of 99. All right, so now that we have this, what we're going to do is, because we have two 5 to the power of 99s, why don't we factor that out? We're going to factor out 5 to the power of 99. So we're going to do 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 1 divided by 5 to the power of 99 is simply just 5 to the power of 1 minus 5 to the power of 99 divided by 5 to the power of 99 is simply 1. Now, 5 to the power of 1 is just 5, so this is essentially asking 5 minus 1, which is 4. So we have 4 times 5 to the power of 99. And this is actually the most we can simplify it with a human, because to find the exact answer of this, I mean, not even an actual calculator could do that. We would have to use a scientific calculator. So this is the most exact answer we can do. Welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of 5 minus 1 equals 0. Well, our first step is to isolate x, right? We want to get it by itself. So to do that, we need to get rid of this negative 1 here. So to do that, we need to get it to the other side, and how we're going to do that is we're going to add 1 on both sides. So these two would cancel out because negative 1 plus 1 is 0, so this would leave us with x to the power of 5 equals 0 plus 1 is 1. So now that we have this, well, we want to get rid of this exponent here. We just want to get x by itself because that's our goal, finding the value of x, right? So to get rid of this exponent, we got to do the opposite of it, which is finding the root of it. So because its exponent is 5, we're going to put this term to the root of 5. And that would result in both of these two canceling out, because remember, these two are opposite and opposites cancel out. Just like minus 1 and plus 1, these two cancel out. So what we do on one side, we do on the other side. So we're also going to do the root of 5 on this side. Well, this x to the power of 5 to the root of 5, well, this is the same thing as x to the power of 5 times 1 over 5, right? Because the root of 5 is also 1/5. The square root is 1/2. So what this number is, that's just 1 over that number. And 5 times 1 over 5 is equal to 1, right? So this is x to the power of 1, which obviously equals x, equals the square root, 1 to the root of 5. Well, 1 to the root of 5, this is the same thing as 1 to the power of 1/5. And 1 to the power of anything is simply 1, because that's just how it is. So this is 1. And x to the power of 1 is x. So x equals 1. And this is our answer. Now, why don't we try plugging this in to our original equation? So if we substitute in 1 for x, we get 1 to the power of 5 minus 1 equals 0. Now 1 to the power of 5 is 1, so we get 1 minus 1 equals 0. And 1 minus 1 is obviously 0, so we have 0 equals 0. And because this is right, we know that x equals 1.